Okay, here we have it. It's the piece, the inside piece from the other hood, from the Mustang. That's all I need right there. Just that piece. So now I got to incorporate that into this structure. So now I've just got it laid down here and just kind of, you know, eyeballing it up. As you can see, it needs to be trimmed along there, but I have some welding to do on the inner structure once this has been finally placed, and it's not too bad actually. Okay folks, there it is. It's almost ready to sit down in its place. The piece that holds, oh, I can never remember the name of these, but anyhow, it's right there. That's all that I needed of that piece. Maybe even a bit less once I finish trimming it, because I got to trim up that edge and I got to trim up that edge, and then probably a bit more trimming in here, and then weld that to there, and that'll be it. And then, oh yeah, then clean all this up, put some of that rust mort all over this, and yeah, because right now all I'm trying to do is just line it up so I get a rough idea of where I gotta cut this up. If I make a mistake cutting underneath it, it don't matter. Well folks, that's kind of what it looks like. Most of the trimming's done. There may be a piece underneath this that I may have to take out, but I'm gonna have to do some welding. So what I might do tomorrow, well, maybe after work, depending on how tired I am, I can make some slight adjustments in it. And then when you push it down, it all goes down really nice, even right up to here, which I got worked out. So just a little wide here, I got some welding rod I might be able to put into that, but all in all, that's about it. You know, wish I had something to put on that to kind of keep that down, but yeah, as you can see, this will be what I'm looking at. But yeah, it's I don't know, it's been really cool doing this. A lot of, man, I don't know how many times I took this off and on. You know, I cut a little piece out of the inner piece to my regular Ford fender here, hood. You know, put it back on, make it on, take it off, take another piece out, put it back on. Holy cow. But yeah, it'll look pretty cool when it's in. Because I'm just gonna put some, like I said, I still got some welding inside here to do, so I'll flip it over. But what I'll do tomorrow or whenever, maybe not till next weekend, depends how busy we get. Excuse me, I'm just gonna put, like, you know, a tack here, like maybe 3 here, and maybe 1, 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, you know, 4 there, and another maybe 3 along here. But yeah, it's pretty centered too. This is pretty centered, because like I said, I still don't know what I'm gonna do. You know, some fine tuning there maybe. But if I bring that up, yeah, see, it's just level with it now. Sorry, I'm too close. But yeah, and then right there, the peak of the peak of that is right with that one. So that's pretty damn bang on. So I actually hate to take it off. Maybe I'll just tape it on. There's an idea. I'll tape it on for right now. Then when I, you know, yeah, then I'll just take the whole hood inside with me. Okay, so anyhow, like I said, folks, it's come along better than what I ever anticipated. Like I said, man, I ain't done this before. Here's all the pieces, and here's all the little tiny pieces that made me take that centerpiece off and on all the time. But yeah, I'd rather cut a little now and have to weld the sucker back on after. But anyhow, enough of me gabbing. It's just after 5 here on the west coast. It's cloudy. It's been cloudy all day. I can't stop yawning. But I like this. Okay, so I will leave you with this. And like I said, hope everybody's doing good. Family's well. All your projects are moving along like mine are. And yeah, so everybody have a good one and have a good day at work tomorrow. As good as work can go. Okay, talk to you later. Peace out and build on. Bye. Okay, there it is. I just taped it down. But you can get a pretty cool view of it now. Yeah. Like I said, this is my view. I may, like I said, I may have a little bit more metal to remove in here, underneath here, but we'll see. The profile looks pretty good. You know, one side doesn't look higher than the other, I don't think. You know. So yeah, then all I have to do, if it works out good, all I have to do later is deal with this. It came out pretty straight. I mean, pretty in line, sorry. So, yeah. So yeah, I mean, I didn't use a lot of that middle, that inside piece I cut out. I didn't use much of it. I mean, there's more of it that I cut out, and I got rid of a handful of other pieces. So yeah, so like I said, it's been an adventure, and I'd do it again. You know, now I know what the hell I'm doing, and I still got some welding underneath here. I got to weld in the piece that this holds on, that these hold on to, and weld it into the main body, the inside piece of the main hood. But yeah, I think that looks kind of cool. So I'll leave you with that, guys, and probably get back to you next weekend when I'm finished work. Okay, bye.